So we are back at the dealer-only motorcycle auction, and my goal is to buy the most ridiculous things that I can find and will fit on my trailer. I, of course, must buy the cheapest bike at the auction. And even though I'm telling myself I won't, I'll probably buy a few things that I'm gonna instantly regret. Let's go have some fun. Wait, hold on a second. Just full disclosure, I also trimmed my beard, and now my chin looks really stupid.
This is the YAMAHA Niken.
And the first bike on my must-have list, the YAMAHA Niken GT. Only one other has ever sold at an auction, and there's less than 5 used ones for sale in the entire country.
It's one of those bikes that every time I see, I end up buying it because they're rare. We've had 3 of them, but to be honest with you, this is probably the worst one I've ever seen in my life. The Honda Rune.
I always have great luck with these bikes. They're super rare, and when in perfect shape, can be worth between $18,000 to $25,000. This one needs some love, and I don't want to pay more than $8,000 for it. Nothing a little more glue can't fix.
Sure.
Truth is going to come out as to what kind of motorcycle this really is. Shocking.
For the land of the free and the home of the brave.
5 grand, 50, but I'm on 51. Here, 800 I'm on, gotta be 8, sir. I got the internet, 67, 800 I'm on, 99, watch the internet, but I'm here, 72, 200 I'm on, here, 73, and here, 74. I'm 73, 400 I'm on, what do you think? Thank you, 200 I'm on here, how we doing, sir? I'm selling all the way.
The problem is if I hang out too close to the thing, on bikes I'm not actually trying to buy, I end up buying bikes.
Yeah. I want to see what these wave runners and snowmobiles and stuff are going for.
You know, I'm gonna bid on it?
I think they're bidding on them right now. I don't know if Caleb is or not.
1600 I'm on, and take here, 2010 and 2100 I'm on, 21, 294, 114, 294. Let's go now, 37 I'm on, 30, and 37 and 38 I'm on, 38, 38, gotta go, not 38 I'm on, down to, I'd want to have it, 200, 200 now. It's 300, 400, 4, 500 now. It's 600, 600, 7 here, 7 there, 7, 8. Hit 800, 750, sir, 750. Hit 850, 850 $850 on them now. 800, Sean, you're out. 850.
Yo, with fees, you're almost at the brand new price for that.
Yeah. The brand new $1,200.
Yeah, they're brand new. They're $1,200.
With fees on a brand new one, it's probably like 15 or 17 or something like that. But
Yeah,
still,
but like,
I'd be happy with a 2005, you know?
yeah.
All right, because there's a couple more bikes that are gonna run before I actually bid on a bike. So me and Harrison came up with a little game where if I can guess within $500 either way of how much the bike's gonna actually do. So I'm gonna go up there, I'm gonna shoot at a number of my guess, and then we'll see if I can do it.
13,005 last call. Sold for 13.4. Sold for 13.4. It's gonna go to 63 and 64. 60 here. It's all happening on the internet. 63, 64. Sold for 63. Put them on. Bid a number 119776. 1197. Sell it, buddy. We're gonna sell it now. And 91 and a 1 and 91 and 91 and a 1 and a 91 and a 1 and a 1 pair. Sold for 9,000. Sold for 9,000. Put them on. Sell it. It's 68 and 9 and 9 and 69. 8 and 69 and 69. Sold for 68. Sold for 68. Put them on number. 8 here to 79, 79, 79, and I'm on 32, 33, 34 now, 34, and I'm on 35, and 35, and I'm on here, 36, and I'm on 36, and here, internet beat you, hit 35, 36, and 7, and I'm sold for 3,900, out of it, sold for 39, put them on number. 716, number 716, got it. I'm but I'm on here, but I get you. I'm on 81 Honda. 84, started at 10, 2, 100. I'm on third down 3. 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, but I'm on here 10, 8. At 7, 7, 8, 9, here to 9, 11 grand. You.
All right, so that room went for retail. Do you think that's our fault? Because I mean, we made all those freaking videos about it, and like a lot of people now talk about them and like want them.
It could be. We kind of hyped it up for a while.
Yeah.
We may have screwed that. We may have screwed that one up. I don't care. What is this? There's like salt crystals all over the bike or something.
Oh yeah, what the heck? Yeah, what the? What is that?
I'm scared to taste it though.
716 is the buyer, $7,700 there, $2,000, 22 on a 2012 Vulcan Classic 22, 25 and a 7 dueling proxies, 231 sir, I-31 and 2, 150 on a call, $3,100, Sean, what's your number today? 716 716, thank you. I-72 no free. I-70
Yeah, I think that's stock. I think that's our
down 840. I take it to have it down there, $600 here now. I can even hear it, never get down, here to 800. I take two, thank you now for $400 a minute. Now you're out, Sean. 6, 8, now 11,000. $11,000. $11,000. 11, 2. 11, 2, thank you now for $400 for $89. So $12,200. I put it on buyer number 716, 12,2 on 716.
We got it. We got ourselves a Nikon.
34, 4, 33, 50, and 33, 50, 50, 33, 50, minimum payment 3,300 and a half, that's all. 33, 50, 33, 50, subject to 33, put them on, subject to 33, put them on. 716, number 716.
Yo, check this out. He's got speakers under there. He's got speakers here. They're also.
This is also a speaker. There's a speaker right down here.
Sub?
It's probably a sub.
I'll help you too. At 39, not 50, still out of the way. At 39, if it go here, 39, and boy, you backing up. At 39 here, the 50, so, but 39, put them on number 716, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19.
I don't know why this is, but when I first look at the bike, I only see certain ones. When I'm walking through, when the auction comes up, I see other bikes that I didn't see before. I'm like, holy cow, it's a good looking bike. And then when that bike's up to bid, you put a number behind it, I see it even better. You know, that's kind of why. Holy cow, I didn't see that bike before, but at that kind of number, I see you now, bike.
Yeah.
There's been a bunch of bikes out there that I just didn't see the first time. But then I'm like, man, that thing's got some eyeballs on it.
Here, 100 and a quarter, 125, got it. 150 there, no one. Dustin's in. Dustin a quarter, 100 and a half, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a half. Little Honda, 100 and a quarter, 100 and a half. Subject to 125, 716, 716.
I think I got it for 100 and a quarter.
100 and a quarter.
Yeah.
Holy cow. So just do a call.
Here's an 070, thank you, 81 on 2, 2 on 3, 83, 3 on 3, and a 4, and a 500 on a 1, 6 on 6 on 600 on a 1, internet 10, 5 on 2, and up 2, give it here, and up 3, 3, 3. I've got 2 and up 3, internet's out, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, internet's out, 10, 2, 2, 10, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, sold it for 10, 2, sold for 10, 2, put them on 7, 6.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw what happened. Started 8,000, started creeping up. I had the bid at 10.2. He waited, nothing happened. He said sold. The second he said sold, 10.3, 10.4, 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, 10. It went up like $600 higher than what I had sold it for. But he's like, too late. It's sold.
See, that's 6. So you got that. Just so you got that R1200.
The people online were just, you know, maybe something distracted them or whatever. You know, I mean, they didn't hit the button fast enough. 3 or 4 or 5 bids came in, like bang, 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 like $500-600 more than what I was paying for. So,
dang. Worked out well.
Yeah. We're trying to load these bikes. The big question is, how the heck do you strap down a Nikon? Like the geometry is different. So here's what we kind of figured out. We're getting it low, like we often do. This side, also on this side. But normally that would be enough. You can tell it's still wobbling a lot. A lot of just on the suspension the way it is, but I don't want to mess it up. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna go from the frame, maybe up here, maybe down here, and just send it straight down. Run one of these D-rings right here, either connect it right here or run it up so we can strap it down right there. Let's see if that makes it feel a little more stable, and then we'll load the bikes around it. All right, so that's what we came up with. Strap them around the frame, bring them straight down. That's solid, it feels great. So 4 straps for a Nikon, and then we'll put the other bikes on, and hopefully, I know this kind of always happens, we're always trying to jam as many bikes on the back. I wish we had enough space to put one in my truck, but if you look in the back of my van, it's full of junk, so it's not happening.
Yeah. You sure we can't fit a bike on top of some of these 2x4s next to the table saw?
It's possible. I need to get one of those a receiver hitch to put on the front of the van.
Oh yeah, and
So
put all your
a
crap.
VersaHaul on the
Yeah,
front.
that'd be sick.
So if you're wondering, we only use tank straps to tie down our motorcycles. And even though I told myself I wouldn't, I did end up buying a bike that I instantly regretted. It was a Victory Hammer, and I did not look at it before bidding. I soon realized that it didn't currently start. So hopefully it's just something simple and easy, maybe a battery, but the bike does look pretty good. The YAMAHA Nikon might be a hard unit to sell, but to be honest with you, I just bought it for the test drive video.